I feel good, feeling love like you, baby, feeling good. Alright, it's alright. Go out. I just wanna dance tonight. 넌 전에까지 수밖에 이렇게
At zachhighley.com/article/why I love my boarding life. Why I love my boarding life? It just feels better. I always wake up and go to sleep at the same time. I don't really drink alcohol. No, actually I drink a lot of alcohol and smoke a lot of cigarettes and baraku. From George Russell, my older brother, I enjoy sunlight, reading, chatting with friends over coffee, and playing recreational sports. My coffee is from Starbucks Japan by Zach Highley. Dating profile is not getting many hits. I'm done the partying from Wednesday, Sunday, the all-nighters and have 2 cups of coffee, and honestly it was almost peer pressure beyond all the evidence, and there is evidence that avoiding some of those things might be better for my health. I wasn't happy doing those things. Finally, one day I asked myself why am I hanging out with these people, staying up so late, drinking so much? It boils down to wanting to look normal to my friends and society FOMO. However, why am I going out and doing all of these things? Well, because I thought that's what it meant to be happy, normal human. Okay, and I'm gonna update from my email that I received in the morning from CEO of Apple, Tim Cook in India, and Johnny Ive, the architecture of Apple, California, and Johnny Craig, the marketing manager of Apple, London. iPhone 16, iPhone 16, iPhone 16e from 29,900 baht. Model which is best for you, 1-inch display or iPhone 16 Plus from 34,900. 6.7-inch display. Need help? Choose a model. Explore the differences in screen size and battery life. Storage, how much storage? Okay. Pro camera system, 48MP Fusion, 48MP ultra wide telephoto, super high resolution photos, 24MP and 48MP. Next generation portraits with focus and depth control, 48MP macro. Photography, Dolby Vision up to 4K at 120 fps. Spatial photos and videos, latest generation photographic styles. Visual intelligence to learn about your surroundings. Okay, back to the room. Okay, if you have more questions or want me to film the content, what is it such a long medical code, the ground code, okay? Leave the comment below and I will film the content for you next time. Bye.